So this is my airport project. I built this whole thing in Fusion over the course of about a month. It wasn't too difficult. I freehanded most of it, trying to model the Tehachapi Municipal Airport in California. Zooming in, I used the sketch tool to create all of that, with the text tool to create the numbers. And then for all the patterns and stuff at either end, I used a pattern tool to move it all the way over, and then the move/copy tool to flip it around, which I used a text tool to create the 11 as well. And then I used a pattern tool to create all of the center markings. The lines for the rest of the taxiways I freehanded with the sketch tool and stuff, and I extruded those. For the half circles I used and the lines coming down I used the pattern tool as well. But for all the colored lines, I had to extrude them up about 0.5 feet and to color them white. Same with the center taxiway, which is hard to see on this video, but it is darker than the other taxiways. All the buildings, I extruded up, I think, 9 feet, and they're all just colored white. But I had to make them in big boxes and then divide them in lines, and then use the trim tool to cut out the in-betweens. But this angle, you can see all the depth, and you can see how the lines are actually higher than the road, which I could have sunken them in. I did with the numbers, but I decided to raise all the patterns. This project was not very hard at all. The difficult part was definitely the patterns at either end. That was the most, because I just tried to use the copy and move tool to move them down, but it kept messing up everything. For some reason, it would make the arrow parts just expand.